Alaikum students, Muhammad Ahmad here and welcome to my YouTube channel The Career Train. In today's video we talk about how to make a professional recommendation letter. As we know, recommendation letter holds a significant importance when applying for a scholarship, and it also referred as recommendation letter or a reference letter. The recommendation letter must be given by a professor or an associate professor within your department. My last video is about CSC scholarship. So if we talk about CSC scholarship, then for CSC scholarship, two recommendation letters are necessary. However, for applying an acceptance letter, sometimes professor also acquire three recommendation letters. While it is customary for professors recommending you for a scholarship to provide their own templates, but in Pakistan, students make their own recommendation letter and on a pre-printed letter, and professor just sign on it. So in today's video, I will discuss about how you make a professional recommendation letter, and I also shared some free templates with you through which you can gain idea and know about how you make your recommendation letter. So each recommendation letter has its own unique format. You have to place your university logo at the right side of the recommendation letter and at the left side of the other recommendation letter, which is mostly recommended. Additionally, the content of the both recommendation letters are also different. The free templates are given on the website. The link of the website mentioned in the description. From there, you have to download your free recommendation letter templates and select one of them or make recommendation letters similar to them. However, you also used previous year letters for CSC scholarship, but mostly universities and mostly professors prefer the latest recommendation letters. So why are you waiting? Go to the website and download your recommendation letter and begin your application process. If you face any difficulty during applying in any for scholarship or you need any guidance about the recommendation letters, do let me know in comment section and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.